Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Hbar price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We are also trying to battle out with a key area of resistance at around the $0.0689 mark, and the moment we manage to break above that, we can watch out for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now fully maximized our red target area, which was my minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2, and all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.0779 mark. And having seen the formation of that wave 1 and a wave 2, now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also give you my target areas in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to first give you my target areas in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.0967 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Hbar to do here on the short-term scenarios. And for that move to also play out, I'm watching for a break above our key area of resistance at around the $0.0689 mark, and the moment we manage to break above that, we can watch out for a successful retest, then continue gearing up, continue unlocking higher prices, and also watch out for a break above the wave 1 high at around the $0.0779 mark, because a break above that wave 1 high, that will be enough confirmation of the impulsiveness in the formation of this wave 3, and a break above that will also help us fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios, and giving you the long-term scenarios that I'm also expecting, basing it on these Elliot wave structures that I have right here in yellow, where you can now see that we fully peaked in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 1 over here, and having seen the high for that larger Elliot wave count 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that bottomed out within this yellow target area. And having seen the low for this second wave, whatever I'm expecting on the long-term scenarios is the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And because of its impulsive nature, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas. And that's the reason as to why you can see I have this Elliot wave structure in blue, where we have now peaked in that first wave, seen a corrective structure in that wave 2, and now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of this wave 3, I'm also expecting to see another micro Elliot wave count within the formation of that wave 3, where you can now see I have this Elliot wave structure in red, where we have now peaked in that first wave, seen a corrective structure in that wave 2, and now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3, where I have my target areas at around the $0.0963 mark, and that is what I'm expecting here on the Hbar chart on the short-term scenarios and also on the long-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 59 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.